A binary operation on a set A is a function from A cross A to A. A binary operation star is said to be commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all AB belongs to A. A binary operation is said to be associative if A star B star C equal to A star B star C for all ABC belongs to A. Here we have a problem. For each binary operation defined below, determine whether star is commutative or associative. On set, define A star B equal to A minus B. On Q, define A star B equal to AB plus 1. On Q, define A star B equal to AB by 2. On set plus, define A star B equal to 2 raised to AB. On set plus, define A star B equal to A raised to B. On R minus set minus 1, define A star B equal to A divided by B plus 1. Now first one, on set, star is defined as A star B equal to A minus B. Now consider two values, two elements from set 1 and 2. 1 star 2 is 1 minus 2. Okay, here A star B is A minus B. So 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. 2 star 1 is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So 1 star 2 is not equal to 2 star 1. So star is not commutative. Now to check whether star is associative, we have to take 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3, any 3 elements of set. Here I have taken 1, 2 and 3. 1 star 2 star 3. 1 star 2 is 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Star 3, that is minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 4. Now here 1 star 2 star 3. First we have to do this operation, 2 star 3. 2 minus 3, which is minus 1. 1 minus minus 1 is 2. So A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. Minus 4 is not equal to 2. So star is not associative. Now second one, on Q, star is defined by A star B equal to AB plus 1. Now A star B is AB plus 1. B star A is BA plus 1. BA is equal to AB. Multiplication is commutative. So BA is equal to AB. So B star A is equal to A star B. So star is commutative. Now take 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3. We can take any 3 elements. Now here 1 star 2 is AB plus 1. So 1 into 2 plus 1. A star B is defined as AB plus 1. 1 star 2 is 1 into 2 plus 1. That is 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 3 star 3. Now 3 star 3 is 3 into 3 plus 1, that is equal to 10. Now 1 star 2 star 3. 2 star 3 is 2 into 3 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7. 1 star 7, that is 1 into 7 plus 1, which is equal to 8. Now 10 is not equal to 8, so star is not associative. Now third one, on Q, star is defined as A star B equal to AB by 2. Now A star B is AB by 2. B star A is BA by 2. Now BA is equal to AB. BA is equal to AB. So B star A is equal to A star B. So star is commutative. Now take 3 elements. ABC belongs to Q. A star B star C is A star B AB by 2. So AB by 2 star C. Now take this AB by 2 as an element D. So this is D star C. D star C is DC by 2. Okay, DC by 2. So D here is AB by 2. So AB by 2 into C by 2. That is ABC by 2 into 1 by 2. Divide by 2 becomes into 1 by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4. So ABC divided by 4. Now here B star C is BC by 2. This is of the form A star D. Take this bracket as D. A star D is AD by 2. that is A into BC by 2. Now this is A into BC, ABC, ABC by 2 divided by 2, that is ABC by 2 into 1 by 2, that is ABC by 4. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. So star is associative. Now on set plus, star is defined by A star B equal to 2 raised to AB. Now A star B is 2 raised to AB, B star A is 2 raised to BA. 2 raised to BA is equal to 2 raised to AB. So B star A is equal to A star B. So star is commutative. Now 1 star 2 star 3. 1 star 2 is A star B is 2 raised to AB. 1 star 2 is 2 raised to 1 into 2. That is 2 raised to 2, 4. 4 star 3. That is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 3, 2 raised to 12. Two raised to 4 into 3, that is 2 raised to 12. Now 1 star 2 star 3 is 1 star 2 star 3 is 2 raised to 2 into 3. So 1 star 2 raised to 6, that is equal to 1 star 64, 2 raised to 64. So 1 star 2 star 3 is not equal to 1 star 2 star 3. So star is not associative. On set plus, star is defined by A star B equal to A raised to B. Now take two elements of set plus 1 and 2. 1 star 2 is 1 raised to 2, which is 1. 2 star 1 is 2 raised to 1, which is equal to 2. Suppose we have taken 2 and 3. 2 star 3 is 2 raised to 3, 8. 3 star 2 is 3 raised to 2, which is 9. So in general, A star B is not equal to B star A. So star is not commutative. Not commutative nokki prove cheyan oru example parnal madi. Oru example counter example kodutittu not commutative nu parayam. Commutative nu parayanengil general aayittu prove cheyanam. A B edutittu thanne prove cheyanam. Now associativity. 2 star 3 star 4. 2 star 3 is 2 raised to 3 star 4, that is 8 star 4, 8 raised to 4. Okay, that is 2 raised to 3 raised to 4, which is 2 raised to 3 into 4, 12. Now 2 star 3 star 4 is 2 star 3 star 4 is 3 raised to 4. So 2 star 81, 3 raised to 4 is 81. So 2 raised to 81. Here we have 2 raised to 12, 2 raised to 12 and 2 raised to 81. 2 raised to 12 and 2 raised to 81. So clearly star is not associative. On R minus Z minus 1, star is defined as A star B equal to A divided by B plus 1. Okay, 1 star 2 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is 1 by 3. 2 star 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus 1. A divided by B plus 1. Here A is 2. So 2 divided by B is 1. B plus 1. So 1 plus 1. 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. 1 by 3 and here we have 1. So A star B is not equal to B star A. So star is not commutative. Now 1 star 2 star 3. 1 star 2 is 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is 1 by 3 star 3, that is A divided by B plus 1. A is 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 divided by B is 3, so B plus 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 3 divided by 4, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 12. Now 1 star 2 star 3. 2 star 3 is A star B is A divided by B plus 1. So 2 star 3 is 2 divided by 3 plus 1, 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now 1 star 1 by 2 is A divided by B plus 1, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 1 divided by 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Okay, so here we have 1 by 12. Here the answer is 2 by 3. So clearly star is not associative. Okay.